All right, what up? So we back. Update. This is the new tank. Got that in. Got it set up good. What else did I change? Coolant temperature sensor down there. That little deal. That's changed, so that's good. Did all that. Drove it for a couple days. Third day driving it, this popped off. So plastic on this broke. So this is actually just taped down now. This one was already kind of leaking a little bit. You can see right there. So got a new hose right here. Found this on eBay. I put a link to some other ones like it. This was like $40. So got this. About to take the old one off, swap them out. All right. Be sure to take this cap off before you try to take the line off. Uh, because if you don't, you end up with this. So this car hadn't actually been running since, well, I hadn't cranked it up since Monday, and it is now Thursday. So apparently there's still a lot of pressure in there. So yeah, take that off first. But anyway, you can see these little gray chunks. I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's like pieces of plastic or if it's like some sort of sealant that whoever had it first tried to put in there. But it's a little gummy, and I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to look like that. So that could have been why this one had that little leak to it. You can see it coming down right here. It's coming out. You know, that little rusty look. It's on the same side that that gunk was on in there. So it was on this side. So that probably has something to do with it. So yeah, I don't know what was going on here with whoever had it first. Hopefully this little section is still good and I don't have to come back and replace this. But I think I'm going to at least try to pick some of this stuff out, get it kind of cleaned up looking, because this one is clear. So none of that is in there. So I'm pretty sure the other one should be clear too. But yeah, this is the old one. It's a bunch of tape I put on here so to hold it while it was messing up. Uh, yeah, so a part of this one is broken. The actual clamps that went on the side of it is what actually broke. So that's what was holding it. So yeah, we'll go ahead and clean this up a little bit, and then I'll snap the new one on. Install is simple. Just snap down, and then it's just a regular hose clamp right there. So nothing else from there on out. But yeah.